Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Money Moves USA. Today, I want to have a really honest conversation about a stock that has severely tested the patience of investors around the world, Plug Power. Let's look at exactly where this company stands right now, how the market is behaving, and the underlying analysis you really need to know. If you've checked your portfolio recently, chances are you've seen a lot of red. And let's be honest, seeing your investment lose value can make you question absolutely everything. You stare at the screen and start asking yourself, did I make the wrong decision? Should I sell right now before it drops even more? Or is this simply a difficult chapter in a much bigger story? These are questions every single investor faces at some point. Now, before we dive into why I'm personally still holding my position and what I'm watching, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who continues to support this channel. Every subscription, every like, and every thoughtful comment motivates me to spend more time researching companies, studying market trends, and bringing you this balanced analysis. My goal isn't to tell you what to buy or sell. My goal is to share the information I find, explain it in simple language, and help you become a more informed investor. If that's the kind of content you enjoy, consider subscribing because we've got a lot more deep dives coming. All right, let's talk about Plug Power. Moving to Section 1, the pressure on growth stocks, navigating current market headwinds. Let's look at why companies like Plug Power have been under such tremendous pressure lately. There's just no denying that the company has been facing a massive storm. Over the last couple of years, higher interest rates have made life so much harder for growth companies across the board. Businesses that rely heavily on raising capital to expand have faced a really tough environment, and Plug Power is certainly no exception. When borrowing money becomes more expensive, investors naturally get a lot more cautious. That is one of the biggest reasons we've seen so much intense volatility across the entire clean energy sector. On top of that, constant negative headlines have just created this cloud of uncertainty. Every week, it seems like another article is out there questioning whether hydrogen can ever live up to expectations or if companies in this space can actually become consistently profitable. But, there is a totally fascinating contrast at play here. The stock market almost always reacts to short-term emotions and turbulence, while successful investing usually depends on separating that day-to-day stock price from the bigger, long-term trends. Whether the market is acting bullish or completely bearish on Plug Power right now, it is incredibly important to look at where the entire industry is heading over the next decade. So, Section 2, the long-term hydrogen play. Let's zoom out and look at the government and industry clean energy goals that are shaping this macro view. Because here's the thing. Governments and massive industries around the world are still heavily investing in cleaner energy solutions. And hydrogen? It still has massive potential applications in heavy transportation, industrial manufacturing, logistics, and large-scale energy storage. We're talking about sectors that are famously hard to decarbonize. Now, while mainstream adoption is definitely taking longer than a lot of investors originally expected a few years ago, the long-term opportunity hasn't just magically disappeared. That doesn't automatically mean Plug Power will succeed, of course. Every investment carries risk, and they have to prove they can execute. But the sheer persistence of these massive global use cases is exactly why it's vital to monitor the fundamentals instead of just panicking over short-term price drops. If you're investing in a long-term transition toward cleaner energy technologies, you just have to expect turbulence. Has the journey been more difficult than expected? Absolutely. Have there been unquestionable disappointments? Without a doubt. But it's essential to remember that investing is rarely a straight line. Some of the world's most successful companies experienced terrifying declines during their early growth stages. Now again, that doesn't guarantee Plug Power will follow that same triumphant path, but it's a powerful reminder that major declines and market volatility alone do not automatically invalidate a long-term investment thesis. Which brings us to Section 3, key company milestones to watch. This is all about focusing on facts and execution so you don't let fear make your decisions for you. So, what exactly am I watching before making any future decisions? Well, first, I'm paying super close attention to the company's financial performance. I really want to see concrete improvements across four main metrics: steady revenue growth, tightening up their operating efficiency, really careful cash management so they don't run out of runway, and ultimately, a clear path to real profit margins. To me, these are the milestones that matter so much more than whatever the stock's price is doing on any random Tuesday. And alongside those financial metrics, I'm also watching whether Plug Power continues making physical, boots-on-the-ground progress on its production facilities and long-term projects. Because if the company actually continues improving its operations and executing its long-term strategy, the market may eventually recognize that progress over time and revalue the business. However, investing always comes with uncertainty, and there are literally zero guarantees. That is exactly why staying focused on observable facts is your absolute best defense against emotional trading. All right, let's look at Section 4, Smart Risk Management Strategies. Navigating uncertainty in your portfolio is crucial because protecting your capital is just as important as finding great opportunities. Since investing always carries uncertainty, one strategy I've personally used to reduce the impact of all this wild market volatility for long-term holds is dollar cost averaging. Rather than driving yourself crazy trying to predict the absolute perfect time to buy at the bottom, you just invest gradually over time. Now, this approach isn't right for everyone, but for long-term investors, it can really help smooth out the ride and reduce the anxiety of trying to time the market perfectly. At the same time, risk management really is everything. I literally never want one investment to become so large that it keeps me awake at night. Every investor has a totally different financial situation and a different level of risk they're comfortable taking. That's why it is so important to build a widely diversified portfolio and never, ever invest money you can't afford to lose. Keeping your position sizes in check is the secret to thinking clearly. And if there is one profound lesson the market teaches us over and over again, it's that every cycle eventually changes. Bull markets don't last forever, but hey, neither do bear markets. History has shown us time and time again that markets often recover after periods of deep, seemingly endless uncertainty. Although, of course, no one can predict exactly when or how that recovery will kick off. That is exactly why patience and discipline remain two of the absolute most valuable qualities you can cultivate as an investor. So, what should you focus on right now? Over the coming months, focus your attention on concrete developments. Follow Plug Power's official earnings reports, listen closely to management updates, watch what's actually happening with government clean energy policy, and track the physical progress of hydrogen infrastructure across the U.S. Honestly, tracking these real-world developments is far more important than getting swept up in social media rumors or sensational headlines that are just designed to trigger anxiety. Whether you are currently holding Plug Power, maybe you're thinking about investing, or you're simply watching safely from the sidelines, remember that every investment decision should be based entirely on your own research, your own financial goals, and your own personal risk tolerance. No one on the internet, including me, can make that decision for you. Successful investing is all about staying informed and making thoughtful, independent decisions over the long term. Now, I really want to hear your perspective on all this. Are you still holding Plug Power? Have you added to your position, reduced your risk, or decided to stay out completely? Share your thoughts down in the comments because I genuinely enjoy reading your opinions, and a lot of your insightful questions actually inspire our future explainers. If you found this analysis helpful, please remember to hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Money Moves USA, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest market updates and deep dives. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of this incredible community. A quick reminder, this explainer is strictly for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional if needed before making any moves. No matter what the market does tomorrow, successful investing isn't about reacting to every headline. But it does beg the question, what if the biggest risk isn't the volatility you see today, but missing out on the massive structural shifts of tomorrow? Until next time, stay patient, stay disciplined, and keep making smart money moves. I'll see you in the next explainer.